Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how we can resize cells of your spreadsheets in Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started, guys. So if you want to do this in 2026, it works the following way. To resize a cell, guys, you will need to resize the width and the height of the given cell first, or of the column and row. So let's assume, for example, I would like to change the size of C12 here. As you can see, there is no way how we can resize it using the cell here, but I could, for example, change the width of that column here, right? Make it smaller and more narrow, and then you may do the same for the row here. You can, for example, expand its size or make it smaller, even like this. Right now it's almost disappeared, so let me just undo this. Now it looks like that. So that's how you resize cells, single cells here, for example, on Google Sheets in 2026. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.